Well, the windshield is completely in. We've got a little rubber molding folded into itself, tucked in nice. Even cleaned the windshield. I'd say it took right around 30 minutes, maybe 35 minutes to get the whole thing in. It was pretty uneventful. Put the whole gasket in, a little bit of urethane in the corners, urethane across the front. Get the whole gasket set in, and then pick the glass up with a couple of suction cups. And just a fun fact, you're gonna have to put the suction cup about right there on both sides because there's too much curve everywhere else, and it won't suction down unless you have a smaller diameter suction cup. I have, I think mine are 8-inch diameter suction cups, so that's probably why it had to find the flattest part of the windshield. But now it's ready for trim. I'm not putting the trim on yet because I still have a lot of paint and body work that I want to do. But like I've said in some of my other videos, the goal is to be able to drive this car, work all the bugs out of it, and then pull it back apart for paint. But if you're thinking of doing a windshield and a B-body, do it. It's not the easiest thing I've ever done in my life, but quite honestly, it was not worth all the nerves I had, that's for sure. As long as you have a couple of people that are competent with their hands and a couple of straight trim sticks and a little bit of soapy water and some patience, it goes pretty well. Thanks for watching. Please, if you got any tips or tricks, I'd love to hear them. Drop them down in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. If I can do it, so can you.